We bought our dog this new dog bed, which comes in 2 pieces. This is the cover with the bolster, and then you have this nice orthopedic pad with a cooling foam. And it's so easy to put together. You just open it up, and it opens really wide on the 2 sides, and slip the foam into it. The zipper is nice and easy to close. It fits snug. The zipper is just on the underside and in the back, so it's very discreet and easily accessible though. The bed is super soft, and our dog loves it. He took to it right away, started laying in all his positions that he likes. There's plenty of room for him to stretch out or curl up. The cat goes on there with him sometimes, or just sleeps in it by himself. And we're really happy with it. And Leroy definitely recommends it as well.